Does anybody want to go down and see if there's any presents? Wait for your brother. Wait for Case. Wait.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
What? We already get injured?
Yes, we're injured. Yes. I'll tell you, Daddy.
No. Look for your name.
What name?
Chris, Casey, Connor. Casey, that's not your pile. This is your pile.
What?
Right here, bud.
No. I didn't want.
Yeah, look.
No, I didn't.
That's your pile.
Ah.
Yeah.
What did you guys get? What'd you
know what
get?
that is, Connor?
The Dynasty pillow.
You still have to read with it.
Ooh. I didn't want this.
Oh.
But look here. Now I do. A Nerf gun.
Oh, what is it?
What is it? Look at the picture, Chris. What is it? Maybe you can read something.
Cool. Ouchies. I got Davy Jones.
It's a snowball launcher, Chris.
What it is?
Yeah.
That's cool. Yay!
Next time it snows, you can make snowballs and launch.